Welcome back to Wheelcraft Studio, where we bring you the most exciting reviews and deep dives into all things automotive. Today, we're stepping away from sleek sports cars and modern marvels to explore something truly unique: the 1959 Porsche-Diesel Super Tractor. Yes, you heard that right. Porsche, known for its luxury cars, also crafted tractors during its history, and the Super Tractor is a gem worth talking about. This tractor stands as a symbol of Porsche's innovative engineering beyond the automotive industry. Manufactured between 1956 and 1963, the Porsche-Diesel series was developed to support post-war agriculture. The 1959 Super Tractor was the most powerful model in the lineup, built to cater to farmers needing robust performance and efficiency for large-scale tasks. Its bold design and cutting-edge technology set it apart from other agricultural vehicles of its time, earning it a spot in both farming history and collector circles today. The 1959 Porsche-Diesel Super Tractor is powered by a 2.5-liter air-cooled, four-cylinder diesel engine capable of producing around 38 horsepower. While this might not seem like much compared to cars, it was more than adequate for its intended purpose. The air-cooled system was a practical feature, ensuring reliable performance without worrying about overheating during extended use. The engine was mated to a 5-speed manual transmission with reverse, allowing for smooth gear changes and excellent adaptability across various terrains. This tractor was designed for durability and simplicity. It came with a rugged steel frame and large rear wheels for optimal grip in muddy or uneven fields. The inclusion of hydraulic systems for attachments like plows and trailers made it a versatile workhorse, saving farmers time and effort. The ergonomic layout of the controls was another standout feature, designed to reduce operator fatigue during long hours in the field. This attention to user comfort was rare in farming equipment back then, but Porsche's focus on combining function with design truly shone here. One of the key highlights of the 1959 Super Tractor is its classic Porsche aesthetic. Even though it's a piece of farming equipment, you can see the brand's signature design language in its curves and the iconic red paint job. The combination of vintage charm and robust functionality makes this tractor a sought-after collector's item today. While it's no match for modern tractors in terms of sheer performance, the nostalgia and historical significance it carries are invaluable. In terms of operation, the tractor provides a straightforward and engaging experience. Starting the diesel engine brings a satisfying growl that reflects its raw mechanical nature. The power delivery is smooth yet deliberate, perfect for plowing fields or towing heavy loads. The large steering wheel offers precise control, and the suspension is adequate for the type of work it was meant to handle. This blend of simplicity and reliability made it a favorite among farmers in the late 1950s and early 1960s. Owning a 1959 Porsche-Diesel Super Tractor today is like owning a piece of history. These machines are not just collectibles, but a representation of Porsche's versatility and ability to think beyond sports cars. Restoring one can be a labor of love, as parts are not as readily available as modern equipment. However, for enthusiasts who appreciate its legacy, the effort is well worth it. Seeing one of these tractors at a vintage farm equipment show or a car museum is a rare treat, and it's a testament to Porsche's lasting impact on engineering. If you're considering buying or restoring one of these, be prepared for some challenges. While they are durable, maintaining a vehicle of this age requires a good understanding of classic machinery. Finding original parts can be tricky, but several enthusiast groups and forums exist to help. Once restored, it's not just a functional tractor, but a head-turner at events, an asset for vintage displays, or even a quirky addition to a Porsche collector's garage. The 1959 Porsche-Diesel Super Tractor is more than just a farming tool. It's a blend of practicality, innovation, and design that showcases Porsche's brilliance in creating machines that stand the test of time. Whether you're an enthusiast, a collector, or just someone curious about Porsche's non-automotive ventures, this tractor is a fascinating piece of engineering history. Thank you for joining us today on Wheelcraft Studio as we explored this unique piece of Porsche's past. If you enjoyed this deep dive into automotive history, make sure to hit that subscribe button and turn on notifications so you never miss an episode. We've got plenty more reviews, features, and fascinating stories coming your way. Stay tuned and keep crafting your passion for wheels.